unsurprisingly, there's a huge crowd for the meeting of these two sides, and the home team have been announced. Off we go then for another 30 minutes. And out for the throw-in. Mbappe. Confident pass. Oh, that was just inches away from going in. A short goal kick there. The ball played back. Defender then back on the ball. Well cut out. Good distribution. Cancelo. The striker picks it up. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. That's nicely played. Kroos. And he's clearer than his bench, but can he finish it? Oh, my word, what a finish. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. It's with the defender now. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. And that's a throw-in. Coutinho fires one. He's got under that a bit too much, I think. Here's Varane. That's it for now. It's half-time. One team takes a narrow 1-0 lead into the second half. He's got the ball at his feet. It's Messi with the ball. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Here's Varane. Good ball. He's headed the ball forward. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. Alexander-Arnold. Here's Ronaldo. This team look eager for more goals, and it's looking likely they'll get them.
Slow down, this is getting ugly. I know what you say about me.
It looks like they're going to win the game. Perfectly executed. Cancelo. Here's Varane. the red. They're winning. They need to defend well here. Oh, fantastic effort from him. Well deserved.